8 tips for starting your own small business in the US or anywhere else in the world. 1. Educate yourself. Learn to read and read well. There are so many secrets waiting to be uncovered in texts and documents. The best way to learn the tricks of the trade is by reading up on information regarding your passion project. Dr. Seuss, an American author and cartoonist throughout the mid to late 1900s, said, "The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go." 2. Research is what I'm doing when I don't know what I'm doing. Werner von Braun, German-American rocket engineer whose team launched the first US satellite into space. Gather your resources, get on the telephone, get on the computer, and talk to people. Ask questions and get answers to your questions. The more you research, the easier the process will be. 3. Complete necessary documents. Boring as this is, it is necessary. You must get your presence and information down on paper in order to be recognized and transcribed within society. This is your virtual footprint. Find out which forms you need and fill them out. 4. Get involved with the community. Get to know the people that are doing something similar to what you are trying to do. Or ask your friends and family if they're interested in helping you. People are often happy to help if you're willing to ask. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Albert Einstein, world-renowned physicist. 5. Focus on your identity. Define your style. Know who you are and what you are selling. Your customers are not just buying your product, they're looking for an experience. Starbucks represents something beyond a cup of coffee. Starbucks founder Howard Schultz. 6. Manage your money. Startup costs, whether big or small, must be managed carefully. This is also where research and resources are extremely important. Watch where your money is going and don't waste it on unnecessary expenses. 7. Grow a thick skin. Learn to communicate. Any business involves the business of people. Your aim is to generate a fair and happy trade with a virtual stranger. This takes a lot of work, and oftentimes doesn't work out as planned. That's okay, but you must persist and prepare to fail many times before you succeed. 8. Bonus. If you've made it this far in this video, congratulations. There is one more bonus tip on how to start your own small business. Maintain a sense of humor. The world revolves around laughter, and people appreciate risk takers. So take the pressure off yourself, but try not to take yourself so seriously. Cheers to your next rewarding venture.